Hi, it's Jacinta and welcome to today's video. So today I'll be sharing some tips on the best yarn to select when you're starting to crochet. But later in the video, I will also let you know the colors of yarn to avoid as you start.
This is Jacinta from Cinta Crochet Collection. Welcome to my channel.
It's better to start with light solid color yarn. As you can see from my crochet piece here, the stitches are very clear to see, and this eventually helps you correct any mistakes that you may make along the way. What you see here are a few examples of the yarn colors that I personally used when I was starting to crochet. Please let us know in the comment section the colors of yarn you think are best to start with and those you think we should avoid when we're starting. Now let's talk about the colors of yarn to avoid. These include the dark colors like black, navy blue, and the multicolored yarn. For the multicolored yarn, they're very beautiful to use, but it's very hard to see the stitches and also correct any mistakes as you work your pieces. An example is this hooded scarf that I crocheted with a dark color. As you can see, it's very difficult to see the stitches that I used. And also with this summer top, it looks very beautiful, but I used double crochets which can easily be seen with the yellow section, but the multicolored section, you can barely see the stitches. So I would advise that you save these colors for later. I have more beginner crochet videos that explain everything step by step. So please subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss them. My next video will be about the best crochet hook size for beginners. Please watch out for that video and many more. Thank you for watching.